This is why you need a guava tree in your garden. Fresh fruit, gorgeous greenery, and a fun gardening project. Start by choosing a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Guava trees love warm summers and cool winters, so find a spot with 6-8 hours of direct sunlight. Dig a 2-foot deep hole and create a small mound of loose soil at the bottom. Use cuttings for better quality fruit. Place the cutting on the mound, ensuring the graft line is above the ground. Water young trees 2-3 times per week, but mature trees only need watering 2-3 times per month. Remove weeds and grass to reduce competition. After a year, fertilize every 3 months with organic fertilizer, and don't forget to prune your tree starting at 3-4 months. Protect your tree from frost with tarps or blankets, and keep an eye out for diseases like guava wilt or anthracnose. Harvest your guavas when they turn yellow and feel soft. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Literally, happy gardening.